Chicken wraps are one of my favorite go-to lunches. They are filling, they're healthy, and I have the secret sauce. This dressing will make anything inside taste 10 times better. What is up, you guys? It is Carly here, and you're officially cooking with Carly. Today we're talking all things chicken wraps, and I'm actually going to make a chicken BLT wrap today, but you can use whatever you have in your fridge, you know, leftover veggies or a different kind of cheese. You can add in whatever you want, and this dressing, it is to die for. So for my chicken BLT wraps, I have chicken here that has been cooked. I just cooked this in my Instant Pot, which, by the way, I have an awesome Instant Pot chicken video you need to check out if you want to cook your chicken perfectly in the Instant Pot every time. You can use leftover rotisserie chicken, you know, grilled chicken, or even the cooked chicken that's frozen, that's grilled, that you can just buy at the grocery store. Whatever you want, you can use that here. We have bacon, because obviously you need the B in the BLT. This is just microwave bacon that I got from Sam's Club because it's delicious and it's easy, and it just makes life better. Bacon makes life better. We've got Parmesan cheese and some leafy green lettuce and a few Roma tomatoes. I'm going to get to washing and chopping this, dicing this quickly to have all of our insides prepped, and then we'll mix together our dressing, and I'll let you know everything that's inside our dressing here. I'm gonna go wash my tomatoes and wash my lettuce. I'm just gonna break off a little bit here to wash and then cut. For the lettuce, I just rinsed it with water and pat it dry with paper towels. If you have a salad spinner thingamajig, you can use that too. Just chop the lettuce into nice bite-sized pieces. I like the leafy green because it's hearty and it really holds up well with the other ingredients. All right, we've got our lettuce here. Let me grab a bowl, toss it in. Okay, now on to our Roma tomatoes, and here's my trick, which my friend Allie taught me actually. I like tomatoes, but I don't like the seeds and stuff on the inside. The texture kind of grosses me out, I'm not gonna lie. And so here's the trick. Cut off the top of your tomato here, and then you can actually go over to the sink and just squeeze your tomato. Oh, I shouldn't have pretended to do that. And all of the seeds and stuff will come out, and then you're just left with the fleshy part of your tomato to dice. Now we'll just go ahead and dice these tomatoes. I've got all of my prepped ingredients here. So our diced tomatoes, our chopped leafy green lettuce, bacon, Parmesan cheese chicken, and our tortillas. Now all we need to do is make our dressing. For our dressing, all we need are these simple ingredients right here. We've got a little mayo, some milk, salt, sugar, and vinegar. The sugar and vinegar work together to make it this sweet and tangy dressing that you're going to love. If you want to substitute the mayo for Greek yogurt, it will already have a lot of tang, so skip out on that vinegar and just add in a little bit more milk. Let's mix all of this together. Everything is just going to go into a bowl or a little measuring cup like mine to mix everything together. Everything's just going on in at the same time. It's 1/2 cup of mayo, 1/4 cup of milk, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Grab a little whisk. I'm just gonna whisk this until it's nice and smooth. Our dressing here is done, so it is time to build our wrap. To build the chicken BLT wrap, and like I said, you can do this with anything that you want in your fridge, anything you generally like in your wrap. Go for it. I start with some lettuce in the middle of my tortilla, a couple pieces of bacon, chicken, tomatoes, and I'm a Parmesan cheese fan, so a lot of Parmesan cheese. And then you can either drizzle your dressing into the wrap or you can dip if you like to dip. I usually drizzle and dip because this dressing is, I know, I've said it a zillion times. Now all that's left to do is wrap up your wrap tightly and then get to eating it. This is one of my favorite lunches and I am positive it's going to be one of yours too. The bacon makes it. I'm gonna have this for lunch every day during the summer. Okay, come and eat.